This is the biggest lie in bikepacking. If social media has taught us anything, and I would question that it has, it's that you have to go on 2-3 week plus long wilderness tours in the middle of nowhere on a shoestring budget and wild camp for it to be a bikepacking adventure. And that is simply not true. You can go on a bikepacking adventure however you want, wherever you want. If it's just a local overnighter after work or going on a trip with your kids, that's allowed. You don't have to do it set to a script. Adventure your way. I'm very confident that I could go on a local overnighter trip using this beastie monstrosity, and it would be just as fun and just as memorable than if I'd gone to China in the middle of nowhere for weeks on end. Because adventure is a mindset, it's not a script. I'm here cruising along on an open farm road in the mid-afternoon, and I've got a box full of snacks with me. I'm gonna have a sit down at some point and eat those and just listen to the birds. That's an adventure in my eyes. The amount of comments that I get on my videos from people saying, that's not bikepacking because of X, and they give me some arbitrary reason. Who are you to tell me that it's not a bikepacking trip and to tell me how to do my adventures? So in short, don't listen to the BS made up rules about bikepacking because you think that's the way to do it. Go on an adventure your way and enjoy it. Don't care what anyone else has to say. And if you're the sort of person who moans about people doing adventures in a different way to what you think is correct, get a life. Just go out and have fun for a change. Stop being miserable. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.